In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a lost or deleted OneNote notebook successfully. Losing your important notes can be stressful, but OneNote has built-in tools that make recovery straightforward, allowing you to get back to your work quickly and efficiently. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and make sure you are signed in with the account that contained the lost notebook. It's essential to check that you're using the correct Microsoft account, as notebooks are tied to the account they were created under. Once logged in, take a moment to review your recent notebooks in sections to see if the missing notebook might simply be hidden or minimized in your notebook list. If you can't find it in your main notebooks list, head to the File menu at the top left. From here, look for the Info or Open options. OneNote often stores a history of recently opened notebooks, and you might spot your missing notebook there. Clicking it could restore it instantly without any further steps. For notebooks that were deleted or cannot be located, check the OneDrive recycle bin. Many OneNote notebooks are stored in OneDrive, and deleted items remain there for a period before permanent removal. Log into your OneDrive account, navigate to the recycle bin, and look for your notebook. If you find it, select it and click Restore to recover the entire notebook back to your OneNote account. If the notebook was deleted locally, you might also check your computer's recycle bin. Occasionally, offline notebooks are stored on your device, and recovering them from there is as simple as right-clicking and selecting Restore. Once you've restored your notebook, open OneNote to confirm that all sections and pages are intact. Take a moment to review and organize your content if needed. It's a good idea to back up your notebooks regularly to avoid data loss in the future, either by saving copies to OneDrive, exporting them, or enabling OneNote's automatic sync features. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully recover lost or deleted OneNote notebooks, ensuring your notes and projects remain safe and accessible. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.